Meaning of Edwin Hubble.
Edwin Hubble.
Edwin Hubble.
Edwin Hubble.
Edwin Hubble. Edwin Hubble was an American astronomer who was known for his discovery of the expanding universe. He noticed that galaxies were moving away from each other, and this led to the realization that the universe was actually expanding. This was a revolutionary discovery that fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe and its origins. Hubble's observations provided the first evidence for the Big Bang theory, which suggests that the universe began as a hot, dense point and has been expanding ever since. Hubble's work laid the foundation for modern cosmology and our understanding of the universe.